All right, so this Jewel Spyder right here, I'm about to let you hear the difference between. I'm about to put on them Two Brothers dual exhaust right here. This is the whack exhaust right here, and what I'm about to do is let you hear what it sound like. Hear what it sound like with the exhaust, with the regular exhaust, and then I'm gonna let you hear what it sound like when I'm done. You know what I mean? So that's what it sounds like with it on. Alright, feel that. It's pretty whack. And then your boy about to put that exhaust on there just right. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna see y'all in a couple of seconds. Alright. I'm gonna put the Two Brothers exhaust on there. Looking hot. You already know what it is. Took a long time to do it, but hey, we got it in. Comparison on the sound. About to turn it on right now so you can see the difference on the comparison. Let's get it. Alright. Let's get it. Difference right there.